A Turkish scholar has projected that China's economy will grow by at least 5% in 2023. Oktay Tenrizver, a scholar of foreign policy at the Middle East Technical University in the capital city of Ankara, made the remarks in a recent interview with Xinhua. He added that China has proved that countries could benefit each other with a win-win approach, a requirement of today's world.
I think the world economy is recovering from the COVID crisis, and I expect economic growth throughout the world. Chinese economy is very likely to grow around 5%, even more, because the demand for China's products will increase. More trade with China is very likely. I think there is a positive business environment both in China and also in countries does business with China. Win-win approach is the motto of global economy. So China's approach is a constructive approach. Trade should be developed globally.